आप जलेबी बना रहे हो CA के issue पे, you are delaying it because you're worried of political consequences, and if it's actually an ideological commitment, you would have pushed it through instead of pushing it. Now you're saying let vaccination happen and then we'll see.
Yes. Rahul, ideologically we have committed to the people of India that we will bring Ram Janambhoomi, we will build Ram Temple. Ideologically we committed people that we will abolish Article 370. And probably at the right time, in right moment, we did all all these ideological things, and people of India are witnessing our ideological commitment. As far as I know, I represent the BJP in Assam to a certain extent. I represent government of Assam to a certain extent. And I am saying equivocally in the national television that BJP is not going to dilute its ideological position on CAA. But timing has to be determined by the government of India, considering the present ground situation, present reality of the nation, including COVID-19 and in vaccination program. Rahul, I want to convey my deep congratulations to Randeep Bhai, because you have come out and you are saying that you want to protect Assamese culture with Badruddin Ajmal as a allies. Very idea of Badruddin Ajmal, when a Assamese person heard his name, I think people got so angry, people got so agitated, and you want to take that person in with you and you want to save Assamese culture, the person and the people who has captured our monastery in Botodroba, who has captured the land in Kaziranga, who is destroying Assamese culture, Assamese, the very meaning of Assamese ethos. If today what Congress is doing today by aligning with Badruddin Ajmal, you have betrayed the trust. People of Assam has little trust. What has left with the Assamese origin people with the Congress for all time to come. I am feeling sad because I was in Congress, but the way Congress has aligned with Badruddin Ajmal today, Randeep, make my word, for next generation, people of Assamese origin will not spare Congress party, and people, new generation of Assamese always hate Congress because you have given political space to Mr. Badruddin Ajmal, who is enemy of our culture, who is enemy of our composite Assamese culture. Make my this word, write in this book, write, just remember this, that by aligning with Badruddin Ajmal, you have betrayed the people of Assam. And my request to you, if you have time, if you have some compassion to people of Assam, if you have some good feelings to people of Assam, still tell Rahul Gandhi not to align with Badruddin Ajmal. We will be politically benefited. But I see that Congress will be get away from the minds and hearts of Assamese people for all time to come. You are committing a
huge... Randeep Surjewala, the Ajmals are considered friends of the illegal migrants who came in, they're helping with documentation, and that's a key part of that vote bank. Hemanta Sarma says, not just is this political harakiri, this is also against India's larger national interest.
Mr. Hemanta Sharma has a lot of advice to offer to me, as also to the Congress party, and I thank him for his compassion and kindness. But he forgot to answer as to why did Mr. Sonowal oppose the CAA law, his own chief minister. While he says he speaks for the BJP, but sadly he is not the chief minister. The leader of his party and the chief minister of Assam is Mr. Sonowal and not Mr. Hemanta Sharma, much as I would like to see him even as the BJP chief minister, because after all he is a good person and a good human being. But that apart, the solid point remains, they implemented the CAA, they brought it in parliament, they refused to discuss it, they refused to send it to a select committee, they polarized the entire country, and now for over a year they are refusing to implement it. And none less than the chief minister of Assam, who is also the leader of the BJP, under whose face and in whose name Mr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma will be seeking votes, opposes the CAA. And Mr. Hemanto Sharma here on your television channel says that no, there is a national policy that we will implement post-vaccination. Was there corona when they brought in CAA? Was there corona anywhere in the realm? Why are they trying to mislead the people of Assam? It is the entire Northeast that is being misled by this. And he mentioned Arunachal Pradesh. I just want to take 10 seconds. We saw as to how an entire legislative assembly met in a hotel, and an entire legislative assembly defected, not once, not twice, but thrice. I think if you are talking about expansion by defection, Arunachal Pradesh is an ideal example, and many other states in the Northeast. So let's face facts and reality check. Instead of abusing an individual or a political party, Mr. Sharma may like somebody, Mr. Sharma may not like somebody. But I believe that he can contribute to the development of Assam, even though we may be on the opposite sides. But the truth remains that they only believe in deception, as also hoodwinking the people of Assam and the entire Northeast. And I think that would be decided in these elections.